Hey guys, welcome to Fun on the Go. So today being Dinah's birthday, we decided to move out of these four walls and go to some relaxing place. So we have decided to go to Igatpuri. Hope so the weather is pleasant and relaxing just as the way we want. So stay tuned till the end. We will walk you through the entire journey. So see you there. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So we are heading towards Ram Setu.
Not the one which connects Sri Lanka, but this is the one which connects Igatpuri and Vaitarna. But we'll halt for 5 minutes over here. I wanted to show the Vaitarna lake. So there's water on both the sides, and this route, which is right through the middle of the two parts of the lake, it's called the Ram Setu bridge. So we will be going through that part in a while, which will take to us to our resort. We are starting our way on the Ram Setu bridge. So the road is not that in good condition. So water on both the sides and road in the center. Very good. Yeah, this will give you a better view of the Ram Setu bridge from left to right. So we can take a halt over here. Once we cross this, we'll stop over here. Walking towards the edge of this path. Not go inside. It's not that deep here. It's lovely. So this is the Vaitarna lake. We have come down and you can see the water is so clean. It's a bit cold as well due to the environment. this is the other side of the lake. See right there in the center, it's a small island of trees. Wish I could go there.